So, you've been given the incredibly soul-sucking task of separating 10,000 names from emails. Focus, people. We don't want to spend years separating these. It'd take longer than waiting for Windows updates to finish. So, type in the first name, Marcia, then the last name, Mello. Now select the column, press Ctrl+E together, and boom, Excel spits out the rest like it's auditioning for a magic show. Do the same for last names. Go to the data ribbon, hit Flash Fill, and ta-da! All your surnames appear faster than your boss when you accidentally mention free donuts. And there you have it, Excel doing all the heavy lifting while you take the credit. Have a great day, my friends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, or turn yourself upside down for a bit of frolicking fun.